going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be talking about what it's been like with no window tint, because literally the first thing that I did on this truck was get window tint. I did it the same day that I got exhaust, and that was over 2 years ago. So literally bought the truck brand new, went and got 5% put on it right away. And so it's kind of been a little weird driving the truck without window tint. There's been several of y'all comment on Instagram saying you're in the same boat as me, having to have your tint off for the moment. But I figured I would make this video before I went ahead and got some new tint, which you can comment down below what you think I went with. It might surprise some of y'all. This might be weird for some of y'all, but for some of us, we don't have any vehicles without tint, and it becomes completely normal to drive something with tint. So for right now, as you can see, the sun is completely obliterating me right now. That's the number one thing that sucks, I think, the most of anything, is it's getting hot and I have no protection from the sun. So probably the second most annoying thing is driving at night. So people that ride my bumper, dude, ride it, but it's not gonna faze me, okay? I'll slow down. If you want to ride my bumper, we'll cruise, all right? When you don't have window tint, it kind of sucks because their headlights will wreck you, whereas if you have dark window tint, their lights don't really bother you, and they're just, like in Larry, I'll be honest, Larry's tint's too dark. Sometimes people will sneak up behind me, I won't even know they're there until I like just manage to look, and then they're like, oh, there's been someone behind me, great, I wonder what I've been driving like. So I guess the next negative is just the ability for people to look at you. Like this lady behind me was just riding my bumper. Like I look over here, I guess that's good because I can give her the stink eye and she can actually see me giving her the stink eye, whereas before I was just doing it. But then sometimes I forget that I don't have tint and I'll be doing it and I'm like, oh crap, they can see me. Even pulling up at red lights, people are beside you, they're looking over at you. I don't know, I just like having the freedom of doing whatever I feel like doing inside my truck and people can't see in. So let's get to the positives. So I'm definitely a little more easygoing around police now, even though there's probably other things that they could get me if they wanted to. But not having any front window tint is like, yo, they can see me, they're probably not gonna mess with me, they can see in here. I don't know, I guess it's kind of nice knowing that they probably don't have a reason to pull you over. It is definitely nice at night, other than when someone's riding behind you. But I don't have to roll my windows down anymore. If it's pouring down rain, it's really dark, it's foggy, whatever the case may be, I can see great. I do have a backup camera, but I don't know, I don't trust it. I don't know. A lot of times I would roll my windows down, and now I don't have to because I can totally see. Kind of a dumb thing, but we can signal to people and they can actually see you, and like if you're wanting them to go or something other, it's kind of nice having people. That's one of the few scenarios where it's nice that people can actually see you. You can motion people to do stuff and they know that you're doing that. It's a sick little taco. Alright guys, well that's my quick little video for y'all today. What it's been like with no window tint. Overall, freaking hate it. The few benefits that I have seen, I would much rather give them up, struggle a little bit. In other scenarios where it's nice to have them clear, much rather not. But like I said, window tint actually should be coming in tomorrow, so maybe an install in the next couple days. Leave your comments down below what you think I got. So I also did forget to mention that with the window tint gone, the inside of the truck seems so much bigger. I don't even know if y'all can see me right now, but it seems so much bigger in here, and that's so weird. I guess because it being all blacked out before, it was kind of more of like a tank feeling, like you're just in here in your little bubble secured. I don't know what it is. The dash seems bigger. It seems bigger to the other side of the truck. Everything just seems big. Very different.